Herkese merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle Lego'nun Nisan ayında satışa sunmuş olduğu Speed Champions Formula 1 serisinin bir diğer aracı olan 77-248 numaralı Alfin modelini inceleyeceğiz. Bu setin kutu içeriğinde Lego bize tam 6 farklı paket içerisinde 258 parçadan oluşan bir set sunuyor. Set tamamlandığında bir adet 2024 yılında Formula 1 yarışlarında Alfin takımı olarak yarışan aracın bir adet modeli ve bu modele ait bir adet minifigür bulunmaktadır. Daha önceki videolarımda bahsettiğim gibi Lego'nun Formula 1 ile yapmış olduğu anlaşma gereği orijinal aracın üzerindeki bütün sponsorluk reklamları bu araçta da bizlere sticker olarak sunulmuş. Hatta aracın ön ve arka tekerlerindeki Pirelli reklamları da baskılı şekilde bize sunuluyor. Bu set bence hem koleksiyonunuzda yer alması gereken bir set hem de çocuklarınızın da oynayabileceği, hatta bazen bizim bile oynayabileceğimiz gayet başarılı bir set olarak karşımıza çıkıyor. Şimdi isterseniz sizleri bu setin yapım videosunu sizlerin hızlandırılmış şekilde izleyebileceği yapım videosuyla baş başa bırakalım. Sonrasında da setin tamamlanmış haline ait görselleri paylaşacağız. Eğer videomuzu beğenirseniz beğen butonuna basarsanız çok teşekkür ederiz. Şimdi sizlere iyi seyirler diliyorum.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally, some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never